Poka-yoke means mistake-proofing. It is about designing a process so errors are either impossible or caught before they cause a problem. The best improvements do not rely on people trying harder or remembering every detail. They make the right action easy and the wrong action difficult. There are 3 levels of mistake-proofing. Level 1 is prevent the error. This is the strongest type. For example, a USB-C connector only fits one way, or a car will not start unless the seatbelt is fastened. Level 2 is detect before it passes. The error can happen, but the system catches it before it reaches the next step or the customer. Examples include spell check, barcode scanning, or a weight check confirming the correct items are packed. Level 3 is detect after it occurs. This finds the error after the fact, such as a complaint, reconciliation report, or investigation. This is useful, but weaker because the damage may already be done. The key lesson is simple. Do not just tell people to be careful. Design the process so mistakes are prevented or caught automatically. This topic is covered inside SimplicityHub Lean Six Sigma courses with full lessons, examples, quizzes, and accreditation. Enroll today and start building real improvement skills.